Good day and welcome to the City Surveillance Conference held here at the Indaba Hotel in Johannesburg. My name is Quentin van der Berg. I'm currently the Sales Director for Bosch Building Technologies, and we're quite excited to be here today. It's the first time for us to launch the visual verification of firearms, accompanied by the audio detectable and directional detectable of gunshots, and to spend some time with industry peers, experts on the AI and analytics world, learn a bit more, to showcase what we've got to deliver and maybe take it to the next steps. I thank you and enjoy the day with us.
Hi, I'm Jean, CTO and co-founder of Lighthouse. Lighthouse is an AI risk management platform for any camera that enables your operators to monitor 100 times more cameras without missing a single alert. I'm here at the Smart Surveillance Conference 2024, meeting with key industry leaders, and we're all discussing how we can push the industry forward, and it's been an amazing time.